It has 3 hearts, blue blood, and a brain in every arm. It can open jars, solve puzzles, and vanish into the seafloor in the blink of an eye. The octopus is the closest thing to an alien intelligence we've ever met, and it lives right here in our oceans. So just how smart is it really? Start with that brain, or rather brains. An octopus has around 500 million neurons, roughly as many as a dog. But here's the twist: less than half are in its central brain. The rest are spread out along its 8 arms. In a very real sense, an octopus can think with its arms. Each arm can taste, touch, and even make decisions partly on its own, exploring a crevice while the others do something completely different. Imagine your hands solving problems without waiting for your head. That's everyday life for an octopus, a body that is, in part, a thinking team. Then there's its superpower, camouflage. Using millions of tiny color cells in its skin, an octopus can change color and texture in a fraction of a second, melting into coral, sand, or rock. The strangest part? Octopuses are probably colorblind, yet they still match their surroundings almost perfectly. Octopuses are also expert problem solvers. In labs, they unscrew jars to reach food, slip through gaps the size of a coin, and escape tanks when no one's watching. Some carry coconut shells across the seabed to build a portable shelter, one of the few animals on Earth known to use tools. They're curious, and they have personalities. Aquarium keepers tell of octopuses recognizing individual people, befriending some, and squirting jets of water at the ones they don't like. They play with toys, explore for the fun of it, and seem genuinely interested in the world around them. And the discoveries keep coming. In a recent study, octopuses learned to use a mirror, using the reflection to find food hidden behind them. Understanding that a mirror shows the world, not just another octopus, is a thinking skill once believed to belong only to a handful of clever vertebrates. What makes all this mind-bending is where it came from. Our last common ancestor with the octopus lived more than 500 million years ago and was little more than a flattened worm. That means the octopus evolved its intelligence almost entirely on its own. It's a second, independent experiment in being smart. But there's a bittersweet twist. Most octopuses live only a year or two, and they are loners. They don't raise their young or pass down what they learn. So every octopus, no matter how brilliant, has to figure out the world almost entirely from scratch. Imagine what they'd do with more time. So how smart is an octopus? Smart enough to make us rethink what a mind even is, an intelligence built on a completely different blueprint from our own, hidden beneath the waves. And if there's a nature or science mystery you want explained next, tell me in the comments. Your question could be the next video. If this made you a little more curious about the world, subscribe to the Binary Brew, and I'll see you in the next one.